Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. And forget the boat, this is paradise. Seriously, this is, you can see the palm trees and the blue skies. This is boating in Sarasota, Florida. This is what you come for, this is what you stay for, this is why people vacation. But what I'm on is something you're never gonna find in a boat rental club or anything where you share a boat or rent a boat. You just don't get this kind of luxury. This is Sea Ray's brand new for 2019 250 Sun Deck. This thing is a blast for the family, the sandbar, the restaurant, some casual fishing. It just is a titan of doing everything. You can see I got the sun on me, but my face is in the shade because we've got a great bimini top. The boat's got options for a tower if you want that. It's got convertible seating. What I'm leaning up against, the helm seat, flips right back. Same thing on the port side of the boat. You've got incredible infinity vinyl. What this is a replacement for carpet. So many boats you've grown up with, your parents have had carpet. This doesn't get ruined and it doesn't hold the water, but it's still snap in, snap out if you want the advantages. It's awesome. Of course, Sea Ray does so many little things. Look at these cup holders tucked out of the way. They're all over. You can't see them on camera, but just in the back of the boat right here, there's 6 of them. Just 6 back here. There's 2 more in the back. There's 2 more up there on the dash. There's more up on near the bathroom and a ton more out front. Sea Ray thinks about these things. They love on their customers and they give you an opportunity to have a boat that just takes care of you and is well thought out. There's tables in this boat. There's a huge lounger on the back of the boat. And of course, we're backed up by Mercury's power. Now we got it a little salty because we couldn't do this boat justice without running it. But this is Mercury's brand new V8. If you want a better view of it, no problem. Flip-flop the lounger, enjoy the massive rear swim platform. And that's a point of note on this boat. Boat's got a huge swim platform. Outboard boats these days, they just don't have a platform that big. It's just not something that you get the opportunity to see. But Sea Ray takes it a step further. You ready? Check this out. Now you have a dance floor. Sea Ray makes the back of this 250 huge. You've got storage under the seat. You've got 12-volt outlets to charge your phone. And like I mentioned before, look at the triple drink holder. You got everything you need for a day on the water. But let's go forward. Check out a couple of more things you're going to need while you're at the sandbar. Not the least of which, absolutely the biggest bathroom in a 25-foot day boat that you can get. Yep, there's cell phone chargers down there. There's storage down there. You can even get cushions down there and throw a kid out of the wind. Of course, they do an incredible helm. You've got digital controls from Mercury. You've got a 9-inch in the dash, full touchscreen, everything from engine data to GPS, and a surprisingly excellent transducer if you do want to catch some casual fishing. While you're fishing, the rest of the family, anyone else, can be hanging out front. This bow is huge. It's awesome. Cup holders both sides, table up here, fusion stereo. You got a beach ladder in the front. Guys, this is such a treat for the family. This is Sea Ray's new for 2019 250 Sun Deck. You want to know a little bit more about this boat or about the paradise we call Sarasota? Come see us at MarineMax. Guys, I'm Jeremiah. We'll talk to you soon.